Ivory. I came from Switzerland to Turkey to do my teeth. I was struggling my whole life long with crooked teeth, and now I have my smile. What can I say about Dura Dental? I think everything went well. The doctors and the staff is professional, easygoing, and even the hotel is first class. I would recommend the Dura clinic to everyone who has struggled with their teeth. The clinic is professional, the workers are very kind. I think it's the best place to have a good smile. I would like to thank Dura Clinic for the treatment, for the professional help I get here, and yeah, I would recommend it to everyone. It's great.